Where?
Yay!
Wow!
Where's the oval? Oval. Oval, oval. Oh, saan yan? Rectangle. Rectangle. Ito, itawid ka.
Yay!
Where's the heart? Heart. The one you give it to me. Where's the heart? Where's the heart? There.
Yeah.
Where's the
Galing-galing naman ng baby.
triangle?
That's the triangle.
Panamutan. Ano ulit malasim di triangle yan? No?
No.
That's not the triangle?
No.
No? Dati ikaw wala na. Where's the diamond?
That's the diamond. Where's the diamond here? No? Go, Dasha. Go, Dasha. There's the pentagon. No? No? Yes! Very good. Next. You, like that. No. That's the oval. Put. Oval, yes. Very good. Next. Where's the semicircle?
Semicircle, semi.
Semi. Yes. this
Yes,
one.
that's one.
Where will you put it?
Half moon.
No.
That's the diamond.
This one, oh. Yes.
That one.
Okay.
Where's the
Wow.
diamond?
Where's the diamond? No.
No, that's not the diamond. Where's the diamond? Where's the diamond? Which tree is the diamond? Where's the diamond? This is the diamond, oh. What shape is this? Don't scratch your head. No?
Oh, this hexagon.
Where's
That's
the
the
hexagon?
hexagon. Put it here.
Put it here. Which tree is the hexagon? Huh? What letter is this? What letter is this? Oh, ano, na-stress eh. Ganda makakam. Ganda.
Triangle.
Triangle! Where's the triangle? Madiyo yung pinakbet. Tsaka sa'yo ko kasi hindi kasi.
Yay! There are two more. 1, 2. Oh, saan na? Where will you put it? Choose one. Yes. Another one. Last one. Last one. That's the diamond. Yes. Very good. Next. Wow, colors. Colors. These are colors. Okay, let's remove it. Okay. Okay, you remove it. Where's the black? Put it here. Remove it. Brown. Di sa kaman mahal. Mga lakaman tartib. Baka maperding.